Welcome to the fourth class of Level 1 Shareit Intraday Trading Training. Today we reviewed the profits we made during the morning live stream session. We also analyzed SBI Life intraday sell orders placed earlier and discussed how NSE trade works. We covered the difference between open and executed orders, how exit order work, and how to calculate profit while factoring in the security transaction tax. We also learned about the controlling stop loss, understanding the different scenarios, and discussed techniques like using trigger price and market price to set your stop loss. If you found this session useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Shareit channel for more trading tips and strategies. Thank you. Happy trading.